Hello. Welcome to... That's so fucking... Trying to... Fuck taking a picture. Alright, so... I was trying to take a picture of my humidifier, or letting you guys see it, but anyways, what's up, y'all? I haven't did a video in a while. Whatever. Anyways, today we're just gonna do a little... I didn't feel like doing a video on my humidifier at first when it came in because I had to get everything set up. It's not one of the easiest to set up. It's a Lavoid humidifier. You can get those on Amazon, and I've kind of had a problem with it. I didn't do anything to it. It's pissing me off. It doesn't want to register the humidity at 40%. It picks up 50% humidity. It takes, I don't know, bro. Like, it's just crazy. So today I decided that I'm going to show you what it is. The humidity is at 51%. I have the thing set for 60%. I have the warm mist set to 3. You could set it to 2, 1, and off. You can also, by a chance, mess with the VSync app. You can go into the VSync app, connect it, hold the button down for 5 seconds to connect to Wi-Fi, update the firmware, and you should be good to go. The instructions are with VSync. I'm not even going to bother explaining it because I don't want to lead you guys down the wrong path. So, we're going to show you what it sounds like, and when I get done, I'm going to turn it off, and after that, we'll watch it hit the humidity, and we're going to show you what it does. Computer, turn on humidifier.
Okay.
You may not hear it. It's quiet. I've been messing with it practically since, I don't know. It's interesting. Wait for it to heat up. There we go. While that's heating up, I would personally set it to, I would go from 3 to off. When it hits spring, I can get that cool moisture in. This thing is powerful. I'm going to let you know right now. This thing is super powerful for a nearly 2-gallon device. It's top fill. I recommend up to a gallon at least. Don't fill over and don't let it spill into the tube. I had to leave it sit for 24 hours because I wasn't paying attention. Actually, I was trying to fix something. So you hear it? It's shut off. It's like, nope, we hit 60%. It didn't even get to the boiling part where it, like, I don't get it. But that's what it's doing. Why did I spend money on it? Computer. turn off humidifier.
Okay.
So it shuts it off, and now this has a new update. It tells you dry humidity. I was trying it out last night, okay? It said 60% or 50% humidity. I was like, oh, bet. And it said dry humidity. And I'm like, huh? So then I was screwing around with it, and it finally hit 90. And it still said it was dry. I was like, no. It finally said it was dry. I was like, what? 90% humidity is not dry. I had this clock right here that tells the time, temperature, and humidity.
It is 1:35
Disagreeing.
p.m. The temperature is 71.1 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 35%.
35% humidity versus the humidifier's 60%. You see, 4.6 out of 5 stars. I don't know about you, but too much humidity wakes me up. Too much humidity wakes me up. I'm like, you know what? I can't sleep, and it feels hot. And I don't like being hot. I like being warm. But they're right. I was watching it on YouTube. This thing said it was a powerful humidifier. If I'm laying all the way in my bed and I'm half asleep and I feel the warm mist coming from on top of the dresser, damn, that's powerful. And I'm on the other side of my bed, close to the window, and I can still feel it. So, but I figured, well, I haven't done a video in almost 2 months, I want to say, but I don't want to be inaccurate. So I hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe out there. Peace.